voice in person is the witness of that. How many of them want to hear me and want to listen to me? And they are all following and they're reaching their transformation and they're saying that they're finding their voice. That made it all worth it. They're finding their voice. That's my biggest excitement, is me finding my voice. I'm helping others find their voice.
Let your worries come undone. No past, no future, just here, just now. Sink into peace, I'll show you how. Let go of the weight.
She had a vision to basically have a group of different coaches who coach different things, and she wanted us to have a community. Since we're all entrepreneurs, we're very on our own all the time, and so she wanted to create a group where we can all get together, where we can share ideas and where we can support each other. So when she said that she was going to make this training, retreat, transformation that we're here to do, then absolutely.
Smiles around the night.
Now in Cabo, San Lucas, which is just a beautiful place in Mexico. I am so excited to be here because we're both looking forward to ourselves and spending some time resting, relaxing, and recovering and working on our 5 R's. But what's also really important to me is these are my tribe that I've met. I've known these ladies online, and getting to meet other coaches and really spending some quality time with them and opening up and sharing our experiences from the classroom and from coaching, creating such a bond has been really special in the time we've been here together. So I'm excited to keep furthering and getting to know these ladies and continuing our conversations even when we leave.
As we step into the fire of rebirth, and when we leave, oh, when we leave, we will rise.
I would like to thank Kohila for bringing us all together here in Cabo. It's been a fantastic experience. It's brought us closer together. It's spread our heart. It's also kind of regained strength so that we are there to help even more people. This is a fantastic way to end the year and start anew.
You are safe, you are light. The journey has already begun. The magic is already working.
I cannot say thank you to my coaches, because without them, there's no event. Without them, there's no movement. There's no mission. Thank you for being part of this, because we need you. Your service is needed for every child, every parent, and we're going to do it. And we're going to do it bigger and bolder year after year.